Hi everybody.
Hi friends.
It's Thursday. We are going to be making some patterns today, Miss Alicia.
I love patterns. Do you know patterns, friends, are a part of math?
They are a part
And
of
I love math. So math is not just numbers, but it's shapes and patterns and lots of fun things. So I'm excited to learn about patterns. But how are we going to make our patterns
So
today?
we are going to make our patterns with some apples.
Oh, because we're learning about apples.
Right, and they're like the ones we made our bee in this morning for our
Yes.
morning meeting. So we're going to start with a green apple.
And just like our patterns, how they're coming in different colors, apples come in different colors.
Right, apples come in different colors too. So we're going to start with our green apple, and we're going to go to our red apple. Now, something cool about patterns is you have a set. This is going to be our first set. The set continues over and over and over again. So you can always tell what's going to come next. So we're going to have a set of two.
Yep.
So we're underline or
I'm gonna do a kind of a circle. So this
Yeah.
is our first kind of set or group for our pattern.
Yeah. So we're going to have green, red, green.
Well, what would come next in our pattern?
If it looks the same as our set, so after green comes
red, and then I can that's another set.
That's
so
another set.
I can circle that again.
So, Miss Alicia, what do you think is going to come next?
Well, I know if I look, my sets always start the same. So I'm going to look at the very first apple in either set. And it's green. So I know it's going to be green.
So our first color of our next set would be green. That's really good, Miss Alicia.
That is there a special name for this type of pattern?
So this is called an A-B pattern, Miss Alicia.
Oh, just like our letters we were learning.
That
So if
is.
I look, I know there's going to be an A and then a B.
Yeah.
And then all my green apples would be A. And then all of my red apples would be B. So if I was at A, my next would be a B, which would be a red apple.
Right. And it would go on and on and on forever.
And you can make the A-B pattern or the red-green pattern as long as you want.
And you could make this pattern with other things too. So if you have cars and trucks at home, if you maybe have a car, you could put a truck. So you have car, truck, truck. That's another way you could do this pattern.
You know what, Miss Sierra?
What?
I was just thinking. You know how you were doing with trucks? I'm going to do it with a number.
You are?
Just like our calendar time.
Oh.
We start with the number 2.
Our year.
Our year is a 2, 0, a 2, and a 0. And if we kept going, we could add another 2,
and
another 0, another 2, and another 0.
And can I have your marker?
You can have my
Guess
marker.
what? Remember, so like we did in the first one, we could circle our sets. So we have our 20.
A 20?
And our 20. That's where our year comes from.
Yeah, in our year, there's 2 sets.
2 sets.
That is so much
That's
fun.
a lot of hard work.
Math is amazing.
All right, so we're going to learn about another set.
All
We're
right.
going to take these down and we can erase.
Yep, we're gonna
that.
erase. So our first set, I think we'll put a little trick up here is A, B.
So we remember.
So
what
we
did.
remember.
Yeah, that's a
Oh.
good idea.
I don't know if we can look at that. I gotta make it a little bit bigger and darker. That's
There we
better.
go.
All right, so we're gonna erase this because we're gonna learn about something else. What else in our patterns?
So now this time, I'm going to start with the color yellow.
Ooh, yellow.
Do you know that yellow is another color that an apple could be? So we could have red, green, or yellow apples. Our
Yeah.
friends tasted red, green, and yellow apples today in our classroom, and we had more friends like red apples than green or yellow.
Ooh, I'm gonna be doing that next week with my friends, and I'm excited because we're gonna make something with ours.
We made applesauce with ours.
Oh, we're gonna make some applesauce with ours, and I think we're gonna make a math activity, a graph.
We made a graph too.
Oh, we'll have
Yeah.
to talk about that another day, friends. Maybe we'll have to bring it in and show you.
That's a good idea, Miss Lisa.
Yeah.
All right, so we have a yellow apple, and we're going to do a green apple, and another green apple.
Oh, this set is bigger.
This is bigger. So this is our first set. Our first 3 are
Our
bigger.
first set. Okay, I'm gonna circle our set.
All right, so if I have to start the set over now, So I have yellow, green, green. What did my set start with? The yellow apple.
Yeah.
So I can do yellow.
Yellow.
So what comes after yellow? Green. And then after green,
It's green again.
another green. So there is another
There's
set.
another set. I'm gonna
So-
circle that set.
These are two of our sets, but if we started another one, which we don't have room for on our board, but if we were to start another one, what color do you think would start the next set?
Well, I'm gonna look at the first apple in the set. So the first apple is here. So the next set would have to start with another
Yellow.
yellow.
So we would do another yellow apple.
So if we remember, we did an A-B pattern, and we went A, B, A, B, A, B. Let's try this one. I'm going to put an A for the yellow apple, and I have to put a B for the green apple. But there's another green apple.
So we have another B.
Oh, we have another B.
Yeah.
So this is an A,
B, B.
B, B pattern. An A, B, B. Or if we kept going, I'd have to write A, B, B for another set.
And you just keep
Wow.
Going and going and going. Can I show you a fun number?
You want to? You can show me a fun number.
Let me show you a really big, huge, humongous number that maybe you can count to.
Oh, I don't know.
Let's see. So if we have, we're gonna have the first one here, and then we have another number, but our third number has to stay the same.
Ooh. Well, I know what the A number is.
What is that?
That's the number 1.
Okay.
That's 1.
Do you know what that number? This is a hard number we don't talk about a lot.
Well, it looks like a circle.
A circle.
It does.
Or an oval.
Or an oval. What's the number?
It's, the,
Well, you,
it's when there's nothing left.
ooh.
It's the amount when there's you got it.
0?
0.
Well,
So-
now when I look at this, I see if I take away this one, I know that's the number 10, Miss
Right.
Sierra.
that is the number 10. And when we have 10 tens, we have this number right here. This is our first set of 100.
100?
100.
Wow.
So we have 1, 0, 0, and if we're going to continue in our ABB, we're going to use 1, 0, 0 again, and circle our other set.
Wow, that is I like that. So Miss Sierra, we did some math. We did patterns. We used colors. We used letters. And we did patterns with numbers.
Patterns with numbers.
My friends, that is some awesome math. I hope you can go out and make a pattern just like we did. Maybe you did an A-B pattern. Or maybe you're going to do a truck and a car pattern.
Yeah, so it's always worth it to try that.
All right, friends.
I think we're done for today.
We are done for today. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.